My name's Ian, and we're going to have a look at doing the drawings to create this raking mold. It's basically we give you one mold and we draw up and develop the rest of them so that they'll all meet up as they come around a 90 mil post. Anyway, let's get into it. Okay, all we're looking for is a blank sheet of paper. It can be A4 sheet. Just tape it down so that you can set it up nice and square. Okay. Draw a 10 mil border all the way around the whole sheet, and then come up 10 and 10 again so we can do the title block. The title block is find the center, and then find the center of what's left, and then find the center of what's left, just so we can put the basic information on there. Draw a line up the center of the page from the bottom border all the way through to the top border. From the center line, measure out 45 mils either side, so you've got a pair of parallel lines 90 mil apart from the top to the bottom. Now come up 190 mil on the left hand side from the border, and we're going to need to put a line through at 30 degrees. Now you can use your 60-30 set square, or you can type in tan 30 by 100 and that will give you the rise for that little section. Okay. Now measure along that line somewhere that looks like that and come square off it and come up 40 millimeters, not 40 millimeters on the angle, 40 mil square off. Now you need to measure 30 mils, so you've got a rectangle 40 mils high, 30 mils across, square across the page. Now draw down 15 mils from the top line to give you, so it looks just the same as what mine does. Now measure across 15 mils and then join a line between those 2 points so that you've got a rectangle basically with the corner cut off. Now you could shade that in, and what that is your first given mold. Given mold means that's the one where we're giving you all the dimensions. You know exactly what that is, exactly how that is drawn. Your given mold's going to end up looking like this. So we'll give you a piece of timber that's 30 across, 40 deep, and you're going to very accurately plane that angle on there so it matches it up perfectly. Now back to the drawing. On the top or the right hand side, you're going to draw 15 mils and 15 mils parallel to the post that you've drawn. Now we're going to put a line between those two 15 mil points and join them together and then shade in, and what we've got there is the top given mold, or not given mold, it's the mold that it becomes. Your top mold should look a little bit like this, and we'll make it work. Now we're going to repeat the process on the left hand side, 15 mil and 15 mil, and put the diagonal in, and there we've got the shape of the lower mold. Okay, now shade it in, same as what I've done, so that you can clearly see the shape of the lower mold. Now what I want you to do is to draw a 90 by 90 square, and that will represent a planned view of the post, and then put your plan view of the project. So you've got the elevation that you've done, and now you're doing the plan view directly below it. Now with your compass with the center point right on the very top point of the lower mold, and then bring the arm out till it hits the other point of the lower mold, intersection point, I guess, and then draw a circle. Okay, and we're going to drop the line down that is 90 degrees to the outside of the circle. Now you have that line, you can extend your mitre out so the mitre will not be 30 by 30 in plan view like it looks there. It'll be the dimension that you've developed, so a little bit off 45 degrees. And when you do roofing, you'll understand what that is. It's just like cutting the creepers on a pitched roof.